There are numerous health advantages to apple cider vinegar. However, negative effects are also possible. Because of its strong acidity, apple cider vinegar erodes dental enamel, which once lost cannot be recovered. If you consume it straight, it may harm your teeth. Mix with water to help prevent these issues. Pour a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a mug with warm or cold water. By doing this, the amount of acid that contacts your teeth and throat may be reduced. There are also additional impacts of apple cider vinegar, such as low potassium levels. If you have low potassium levels, hypokalemia, avoid using apple cider vinegar as it may exacerbate your condition. Be careful with interactions with other medications. Some medications, such as diuretic medications and insulin, may be affected by the use of apple cider vinegar. Consult your doctor to determine whether taking apple cider vinegar is safe if you take any medicines. Vomiting and nausea. Some people can't stand the smell or acidity of apple cider vinegar. Stop using it if it makes you feel unwell. Have you had any side effects of apple cider vinegar? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more information about apple cider vinegar, watch this next video or read the information down in the description.